The power seat memory switch is a common failure item on the Cayennes. While it is easy to replace, the door panel must come off first. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Place something soft down to put the door panel on. You can replace the switch without removing the installation, but it's just as easy to unhook it and give yourself more room to work. You are going to disconnect the wiring for the door lock switch indicated by the red arrow and the seat memory control blue arrow. Use a pick and pull back on the tab on the electrical connector and separate it, red arrow. Press in on the two clips, red arrows, and pull the door lock switch out from the rear. Release the small tab on the seat electrical connection and separate them. Use a T20 torque and remove the two screws, red arrows, for the switch. Next, remove the 5 T20 torque screws holding the handle trim surround from the rear, indicated by the red arrows. Turn the door panel over and remove the trim surround. There are two clips, one above and below the switch, that need to be released with a trim removal tool, red arrow. This is tough to get to and these may break. Use care. There is a rubber gasket between the trim surround and the panel, red arrow. This will make it tough to get your trim removal tool in to where the clips are, green arrow. There are two small plastic clips on each side of the switch, red arrows. Gently press these back and lift the switch up and out. Installation is the reverse of removal and the switch just snaps into place. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.